Whether you want to save and share an HTML file or print it neatly, converting it to a PDF makes everything simpler. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily convert an HTML file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. In the Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert an HTML document to a PDF file, click on Convert From, and you'll see a list of all the formats you can change into PDF. Select HTML to PDF from the given options. A window will pop up. Select your HTML file and click Open. The tool will instantly convert your HTML file into a PDF file. Click OK and the PDF will be automatically saved in the same location as the original document and your new PDF will open up. This was the original HTML file, and here's the PDF file we just created from it. If you want to convert multiple HTML files to PDF, here's how you can do it. Click on Convert, then click Batch Process and choose Batch Create. Now simply drag and drop the files here. Once you're all set, click on Create PDF and Systweak PDF Editor will convert all your files in one go. And that's it. All your files are now saved as PDFs. So that's how easy it is to convert a HTML file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.